Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device model and why that matters. Apple stopped signing iOS 6, so only compatible hardware and saved SSH blobs let you proceed. Once confirmed, back up to iTunes now. Do not skip this. Next, download the exact IPSWA for your model and place it in a known folder. This ensures iTunes can find the firmware. Make sure SSH blobs are accessible, because those tokens are the key to bypassing Apple's signing window and allowing a restore. You now perform the hands-on restore. First, enter DFU mode so iTunes can accept a manual restore. Timing matters, so hold power then home and wait for the black screen. Once in DFU, in iTunes hold Shift or Option and choose Restore, then pick your iOS 6 IPSWA. If iTunes refuses because firmware is unsigned, use Tiny Umbrella or Redson 0W to stitch SSH blobs to the IPSWA. This recreates a signed package, so the restore can complete successfully. You finish by restoring your backup and walking through iOS 6 setup. Make sure to sign back into your Apple ID so purchases and iCloud sync return. Pay attention to activation lock. If the device is tied to another account, you'll need that password or removal through the owner. If the restore fails, don't panic. Confirm the SSH blobs match the device, re-enter DFU and retry, swap USB ports or cable, and try stitching SSH again. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.